In this lecture I will be showing you how to use the Printable Sticker Premium Accessory Kit from Brother. The kit contents will enable you to use your Brother scan and cut machine to create laminated printable stickers. Let me show you through what comes in the kit. On the package you can see various different project ideas for using the printable stickers, but of course you can use them for whatever you choose. As expected, we find an instruction sheet together with a quick reference guide so that you can identify all of the parts in the kit. We have an activation card which activates the feature in Canvas Workspace, and that's an essential part. We then have a ruler and laminate applicator, as well as a sticker picker. More will be explained later. This green sheet is the laminate overlay for the stickers. It's what gives the stickers their glossy appearance. And these sheets are the sticker sheets themselves. The white side is where you would print onto. We have a basic workflow for creating stickers with this kit. First we design, then we print, then we seal, and finally we cut. I'll show you through each of those stages now. First we'll create a design in Canvas Workspace. I'm going to show you both versions, both the online and installed version. First, the online version. After signing into your account, you would obviously first need to register your kit. So we would go to our account settings, Premium Function Activation, type in the activation code and activate the kit. Once activated, we go back to our main Canvas Workspace area. This is where you would find the kit activation area in the installed version of Canvas Workspace. So the interface looks slightly different, however the activation area is exactly the same. Back to the online version, and we start a new project. Then we go to the Premium tab at the top, and on Printable Sticker options we can paste an image, we can use the wizard, and we can download the PDF for printing. I'll start this by using the wizard. In here you'll find lots of various different types of stickers, many with editable text. So although you may see a design with the word best or yeah on it, you can actually go on to change that text before you print it out. Okay, so I skipped ahead here and loaded up a design, and you do that simply by clicking on the preview. To change the text, you would use the text editing field at the top and click on preview. When you are done, you would click OK, and that loads it onto your mat. Back up to Premium tab and then click on PDF. This will export a PDF document for you to print out onto your sticker sheet. If you want your PDF to have a particular title, type it in the project title box before you export the PDF. By clicking on the title of the PDF, it will open up a save box so you can save it to your desktop or a USB stick, wherever you want. Remember, this is a printable sheet, not a cutting file. Very similar in the installed version, you would click on the Premium menu option, open up the wizard, choose your design and click Next. When you have that, you can change the text, change the font style, and then create your sticker. From here, you can add an additional sticker or an image from your computer to create a sticker from. Once you have composed your sticker sheet, you would save it as a PDF, as we did before. Give it a memorable title and click Save. Next, you would open the PDF document. Then you would send it to print. It's important that you have actual size set, rather than fit or shrink. This way your sticker will print at the actual size you intended. Send it through to print. Obviously, because there are many different types of printers, I'm just giving you an overview of how I did this with my printer. So I'm printing onto the white side of the sticker sheet. For me, because I've got a top loading printer, that means that the white side will be facing me. There we go, that's printed. Now you would take your sticker laminate, and if you're doing a whole sheet of stickers, you would peel this small strip off at the top and use that to stick at the top of your printed sticker sheet, like that, and then you would stick down the rest of the sticker sheet using the ruler. Because I'm only using part of the sticker sheet though, I'm going to show you a way of just using part of this laminate sheet. Cut a strip big enough for your sticker. Peel back a part of it and stick that down to your sheet. Then use the flat edge of your ruler to push down and smooth out the rest of the laminate. Once you've done that, you're ready to cut the sticker. Now there are no cutting files exported during the creation of your sticker, so we're going to use the scanning features of the Scan and Cut to cut this design out. We set the machine up in pretty much the same way we do each time, so we turn the machine on, press the Home button, followed by the OK button that appears on screen. We open the tray at the front, drop the lever on the side down to number 1, and pull the tray out at the back of the machine. We then load the black auto blade into the blade carriage. Next, we load our mat with our sticker sheet on, go into the scanning operations and choose Direct Cut. I'm using the machine's conversion process, and I'm choosing the black and white scan method. Once the machine has done its scanning, it will go through the recognition process to find the outline of your sticker. When the preview appears, click OK. Now it's found the edge of the sticker, but it's also found all of the other nonsense on my cutting mat, so I need to use these drag arrows to isolate that design. Doesn't have to be too precise, I just need to focus on what's important. If you're still not getting a good cutting outline, you can use the editing features at this stage to try and get a better result. More on those in the original scanning features lectures in this course. Once you have your design, click OK. And because I like this white border or offset with my stickers, I'm going to add that here. And I can set that distance to whatever I want it to be, as can you. Tap OK. From the Output Options menu, click Cut. And we need to make sure that the half cut feature is activated. That's available in the settings on page 2. You can see there half cut, so make sure it says on and the pressure is auto. You might want to do a test at this stage to make sure that it's cutting through your material correctly. I'm fine with mine, so I just went ahead and pressed start. Once you've done, unload your mat, peel off the sticker and apply it to your project.